our first lecture of complex number. Introduction to complex numbers. After completing this lecture, we will be able of adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing complex numbers. A small overview of complex numbers. When natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational and irrational, all these are combined together, it forms real numbers. When real number is combined with imaginary number, so as a whole we say that this is complex number. A is real part plus B iota. This is as a whole known as complex number. We will write this in the form of A plus B iota. Complex numbers are written in the form of A plus B I, where A is real part and B is the imaginary part. A plus B, A is real part, B iota is imaginary part. As a whole, this is complex number. Real plus imaginary is known as complex number. The A, this is real part, B iota is imaginary part. Here we have two numbers, 3 plus 7 iota and 8 plus 11 iota. You know this first 3 is real part, its real part is 8, imaginary part of the first number, that is 7 iota, 11 iota is the imaginary part of the second complex number. By adding, we will have to add real parts together and imaginary parts together. Means real part, here the first number has real part 3, second one, in the second number real part is 8. So we will have to combine real parts in addition, imaginary with imaginary. So by adding, by combining 3 and 8, we will have 11. So 11 is the real part, while 7 iota and 11 iota, by adding, by combining, we will get 18 iota. So in this way we have to add, we will add the complex number with the second complex number. Combine or add real with real, imaginary with imaginary. So you will get its addition. 11 plus iota is the addition of 3 plus 7 iota and 8 plus 11 iota. By subtracting, let we have 5 plus 11 iota is a complex number and 15 minus 2 iota is a second complex number. By subtracting, we mean we have to subtract this real number from the real number and imaginary from the imaginary. Just like 5 plus 10 iota minus combine with multiply with 15, we will get minus 15, and this minus with this minus, you know minus into minus is plus. After this we will combine 5 and minus 15 real parts, 10 iota plus 2 iota imaginary part. So you know 5 minus 15 is minus 10 and 10 plus 2 iota is 12 iota. So this is the subtraction. When multiplying complex numbers, use the distributive property and simplify. By distributive property means we will multiply 3 with 5 iota, 3 with 5 and 3 with 7 iota. This is a bit different from addition and subtraction. In addition, we add or we combine real with real and imaginary with imaginary. Now in the multiplication we are multiplying 3 with both of these numbers, mean 3 with 5 and 3 with 7 iota. After that we multiply minus 8 iota with 5 and minus 8 iota with 7, just like this one. 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are 21, 8 5s are 40. Sign is minus into minus into plus is again minus, and 7 8 7s are 56, and iota with iota means iota square. So now by simplifying, 15 will remain unchanged, 21 iota minus 40 iota, this is minus 19 minus 5 minus 56 and iota square. You know the value of iota square, which is minus 1. So by combining, 15 will remain unchanged, 20 minus 40, this is minus 19, and 56, its sign is minus, and iota square is again minus 1. Multiplying this minus 1, that minus, we will get minus into minus plus. Now again we come to the previous process of addition. 15, add this 15 with this 15 with 56, and minus 19 will remain unchanged. By 15 and 56 we will get 71, minus 19, it will remain unchanged. So this is the multiplication. Dividing complex numbers, multiplying the numbers and denominator by the complex conjugate of the complex number in the denominator of the fraction. We have 7 plus 2 iota divided by 3 minus 5 iota. The conjugate of 3 minus 5 iota, its conjugate is 3 plus 5 iota. Here we have to select the conjugate first. Dividing and multiplying the conjugate of 3 minus 5 iota, which is 3 plus 5 iota. So by multiplying 7 with 3 we will get 21, 7 with 5 iota, 7 5s are 35, 2 iota with 3, 2 3s are 6 iota, 2 5s are 10, and iota that is iota square. And similarly we will multiply 3 with 3 3s are 9, 3 with 5, 3 5s are 15, minus 15 iota with 3, and minus 5 iota and plus 5 iota, this is 25 iota square. By simplifying we will get this one. Iota square is, you know, that is minus 1. So minus 1 and plus minus, adding these two we will get 41. 9 will remain unchanged, and this iota square is minus 1. This minus 1 and minus this will convert into plus. 15 and 15 are cancelled, so we will get here 9 plus 25. So finally we will get 21 minus 10, which is 11. 41 iota is same, and its sum is 34. That is the division. You learn in division we have to choose the conjugate conjugate is same, but the imaginary sign will have opposite sign. You have to multiply and divide that with the given complex number of which you are of the numbers which you are going to divide, and simplification is same. 7 plus 2 iota. Separately you have to multiply 7 with 3 and 7 with 5 iota, 2 iota with 3 and 2 iota with 5 iota, and same in this. You will get some answer and simplify that. After simplification you will get the required result. Try these. This complex number, subtract this one. There is a negative sign. You have to subtract the first complex number and second. Multiply the complex number with 2 plus 7 iota and division. Last one is the addition. Try this. I hope you will learn. Okay, these are the answer. Try.